Hey friends, this is Kathy and you're watching Kathy at Home, and we are doing a collaboration with a few friends that I am going to be listing in the description box. And this collaboration was inspired by Joanne Salas, and she is the sweetest lady. And we did it last year, we're doing it again this year. And so today I'm going to be sharing a recipe for a pineapple casserole. And if you have never had it, it is amazing. And it is something that we love in the South. And if you can't tell, it's pretty warm here still in Texas, even in November. So we got some green grass, we got bugs flying around, I got short sleeves on. So some of you might be jealous at this point if you've got some cold weather already. Or you might say, oh, still hot? Well, it is a little bit cooler, so I must say that. But I will link the other videos in this collaboration in the description box. So go check out all the other participants in this Friendsgiving Thanksgiving recipe share. And I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. And here we go. Let's make some pineapple casserole. A 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple drained, 2 cups of cheese, half a cup of white sugar, half cup of melted butter, 1/3 of a cup of flour, all-purpose flour, and a 20-ounce can of pineapple chunks. And you're going to take 1/4 of a cup of the juice out of that can before you mix everything together, and 40 Ritz crackers crushed up. So all you do is get a big bowl, and you're going to put in your pineapple chunks and your crushed pineapple. Next, you're going to add your cheese. It doesn't really matter what order you do this in. You're going to mix it all up together anyhow. And we've got our sugar. And next, we've got our flour. All right. Go ahead and dump it in. Why is she playing with the flour? I don't know. And then we're going to mix this well together. And look at the flour. It's like making smoke. But you do want to mix it really well because you want to get all of those ingredients together. So then we're going to put it in. This is just like a medium-sized casserole dish. And very simple. It's like a dump and go kind of recipe. But I'm going to tell you, it is one of our favorites. I don't know why we just make this at the holidays, because it would be good. It's a good side dish anytime. And then I just decided to kind of press it down in there. Make sure everything is all mixed in and pressed down together. And then, ta-da! We're halfway finished here, guys. Now we are going to make the topping. And so you've got your Ritz crackers that you have crushed up. And I just like to put them in a Ziploc baggie and then smash them up with a rolling pin. And then we've got our butter. And then I just went ahead and added that 1/4 cup of pineapple juice that I had taken out of that can of chunk pineapple. I just thought, you know what? That's gonna make it good. So I mixed all that together. And then that's gonna be our second layer for our pineapple casserole. And if you are not from the South, you probably think this sounds really, really odd. But I am telling you, you have got to try it because it is delicious. And it would also be good, you know, at Easter with ham. Oh man, that'd be fabulous. But I don't know why I usually end up making it at Christmas and Thanksgiving. So this is a little bit thicker because I added that juice to it. So I'm having to kind of spread it around instead of just, you know, dumping it on top. All right. We'll get all that on there, get all that good stuff on there. And then we're gonna be popping it in the oven. And we did eat this for dinner the night that I made the video, and it was a big hit. We enjoyed it. My husband was like, ooh, I don't even remember us having this. I was like, yes, we've had it before, and it's fabulous. Okay, y'all. And I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm gonna pop it in the oven. And you're gonna cook it for about 30 minutes. So let that bad boy cook for a while, then we're gonna see what it looks like when it comes out. And here's the finished product. Yes, we already sampled it. Okay, you've got to go check out these other channels and see what recipes they have come up with. You might want to add one of these recipes to your Thanksgiving meal. And I appreciate you for including me in this, Joanne. You are a doll baby. And guys, thank you so much for watching. And I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Sending you hugs. Bye-bye.